Hey you guys, welcome back to the RC Film Studio. Today we have a new unboxing. This is the Traxxas TRX4 Bronco. I haven't been posting very many videos lately because I don't want to be showing the same car over and over again because it gets boring. So today we have a new one, so let's open it up. I have actually opened it already and used it a little bit. I've put an upgraded servo and stuff in it, and that's about it. I've cut the tape and everything already. First thing, on top we've got the controller right there. That side. Alright, so here, steering, throttle, and then you have a high gear and low gear setting. Then up on top you have your differential lock. Front lock, both locked. It does have a cruise control, so you're going to pull your throttle, then you hit one of the buttons up here, and it sets that speed for you. We're going to set that aside. Alright, so moving into the box, have the card. Pull this out. Nothing else in there, just set it off to the side. Alright, Bronco body. Looks good. I have used it a little bit, I mentioned, so it does have a little bit of dirt in the tires. Got the chrome bumpers with the hitch receiver in the back, and the headlights in the front are ready to work. All you have to do is install the LEDs. Just pop off the body, take a look inside. Alright guys, actually there was two more things in the box. An instruction manual, a quick start guide, and a couple other things, a couple little tools as well. We're going to pop those off to the side and remove the body. Another thing I like about it is the wheel wells. It has sealed wheel wells all the way around. Keeps the dirt and mud and stuff like that from getting all into the electronics and stuff. I do like that. The body, or the battery tray, simple click, it opens up, no pins, no velcro, nothing like that. Standard Traxxas ESC, servos everywhere for your gear shifting and the differential locks, I'm sorry. Yeah, that is about it. The shocks underneath are also sealed off. You can't get to them unless you take the screws and stuff out up here. It's kind of nice. Alright, so there you have it. Card, instruction manual and tools, a couple other papers, and your remote. That is about what you get with it. But I do have one more surprise. I brought along another SCX10 II. This is an SCX10 II. It is the newer one. But this one has a few upgrades. This one has the Curry axles in the front. It does have an upgraded pair of shocks and Vanquish wheels. And the tires are also aftermarket. And it has some Tekin electronics. So we will be doing the video of both of these, hopefully real soon. I'm looking forward to it. Maybe we do a comparison, SCX10 II versus Bronco. I don't know, let me know in the comments, you guys, what you think of that idea. So, alright, thank you for watching. That's it for today's unboxing and new reveal of the upgraded SCX10 II we now have. Thank you guys. Have a good day.